EagleRidge Roofing, your trusted roofing experts in Springville, Utah. Welcome to EagleRidge Roofing, your trusted roofing contractor in Springville, Utah, proudly serving the 84663 and 84664 zip codes. With years of experience, we specialize in delivering top-tier roofing solutions for both residential and commercial properties. For homeowners, we provide services like new roof installations, repairs, maintenance, and replacements. Our expertise also extends to storm damage repairs, gutter installations, ice and water shield applications, soffits and fascia work, and energy-efficient caulking and sealing. Whether it's asphalt shingles, metal roofing, or flat roofs, we've got you covered. For our commercial clients, EagleRidge offers cutting-edge solutions, including flat roof repairs, metal roofing systems, and advanced membrane roofing options like TPO and EPDM. Plus, our Peak Protection Plan ensures regular maintenance, extending the life of your roof and preparing it for Utah's harsh weather conditions. What sets us apart? It's our dedication to quality. We use only high-grade materials and ensure every project adheres to strict industry standards. Transparent pricing, clear communication, and outstanding customer service are the cornerstones of our success. Join countless satisfied clients who trust EagleRidge Roofing for their roofing needs. From the initial inspection to the final installation, we're committed to excellence every step of the way. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website at eagleridgepros.com. EagleRidge Roofing, Utah's premier roofing experts.